Under the morning sun, Ruātoki stretches wide. The awa o Hine Mataroa winding steady through the valley, carrying the stories of its people. This is the heart of Tūhoe country and the kāinga of the Ladz of the Mist.
This is our papakāinga. This is our roots. This is our roots. This is where we grew up.
From the mountains to the sea.
A musical duo whose unique sound is reaching beyond the valley. You may have heard their waiata.
There is nothing greater.
And their latest single featuring Lion Rez called RUA.
They say nothing lasts forever, but these memories are made. Ain't nothing but a good time always.
We actually started in school, and what we were using was like a $2 mic, $2 headphones, and a Chromebook from school.
The start was probably the main part for us, stealing the Chromebook from school. They don't know this, but we took it home and we got together in the brochure that is kainga, and we just sat there and just had a bit of a ohia mano on the waiata.
At just 19 years old, they've already been in the industry for almost 3 years, and they're about to start a major collab. Legendary reggae band House of Shem has arrived in Ruātoki.
I feel it's part of our mahi, I feel it's part of our work to do here. And we've been doing this for a while now.
It's been awesome. Mean to learn all these new skills from all these big artists.
He's just saying that there's a few little harmonies that he thought might be cool in there. Yeah.
Tuakana and Teina uniting through Waiata.
There's so much talent in all the different rohe.
A unique opportunity initiated through the Waiata Anthem kaupapa, supporting up-and-coming artists in the regions.
The main thing was, building those relationships in the industry and showing these teina that there's these tuakana there too that have kind of been through some of the things they're going to go through and can be there to support them, coming together and creating like amazing waiata, or just having a nice relationship to have and build while their career is kind of starting off.
Before we head off, we'll have a little safety briefing and then karakia, and then we'll hit the awa and head up to Te Pūkeri.
Before getting to work, the lads show House of Shem their slice of paradise. A 35-minute jet boat ride up the o Hine Mataroa awa, to Te Poho Orangi Monoa Marae, the tūranga waiwai of Tānekaha and Huiarangi.
If we ever get lost out there, this is a place we come find ourselves and reground here. And this takes back memories, really, on how we were brought up, things we got taught from all our uncles, swimming in the river, just luxury.
For Tānekaha and Huiarangi, growing up here was a privilege.
I te kawe māua I nā tūmo moahua tana o mātou kuia kraua. Koina pia te timata tana I toko ake te whakaaro, me haere tonu e nei ngō mahi.
And it shows. Their tūhoitanga, te reo me ona tikanga is what guides them through their journey of making music.
We've been pushing for Waiata Māori lately. Not necessarily full Waiata Māori. We've got full Waiatas, but just little glimpses here and there, just so we don't lose that, really.
One cool thing about our rangatahi is a lot of them have the reo, which a lot of the older artists or generations don't have. And so sometimes it's not necessarily supporting with the reo. Sometimes there's a little like tweak a or a o or a e or a ki that our mātanga reo would help them with.
There is a growing appetite for Waiata reo Māori, not only here in Aotearoa, but abroad as well.
And I think that's amazing because it encourages all people to enjoy Waiata Māori. It's not so niche, it's available for anybody. I think it can be on Coachella.
From the marae to the studio in Tānekaha, the real mahi begins.
But it might be too early to put it in this first one, eh?
Oh, you mean in that part there? Yeah, that. That's what you're saying, eh, bro? Harmonising from the beginning.
With Te Omeka and his brother Isaiah having a wealth of experience producing music,
That's it, yeah. Same second time around? Yeah.
it's a chance for the lads of the mist to take notes.
Beat making, the vocals, on how to use the machines. We weren't taught how to really use all that stuff. More learning, always good to learn.
This kaupapa has also relit the flame for House of Shem.
We're looking forward to putting some new music out. Obviously, through life in there, we get through some of those struggles, especially with losing Dad, so we're still pushing on and trying to do some more of the stuff for our people, because we love getting out around the rangatahi in it.
That sort of support is not common in the industry.
What comes with that is fast fame and a lack of understanding of how to navigate the music world and setting up good support systems for yourself. And so that's where I'm like, okay, how can we support you? Who can I connect these people with to try and get their, cross their T's, dot their I's, to make sure that their career side of being an artist is solid.
Having a strong foundation already, the lads of the mist also attribute their success to their whānau.
The whānau tautoko are handy, always behind our backs. Any kaupapa that really comes up, they always there. They knew us way before all of this happened, so they still see us as Tānekaha and Huiarangi, not actually the lads of the mist.
Back at the studio, the finishing touches are added to their waiata.
Katatamutu. Almost finished. Just waiting for the bro's gonna mix our waiata, and then yeah, we're done.
With the short amount of time we had, it was kind of rushed to finish the song. So at the end of it was getting hard, so under pressure, I would say. But no, we're still happy with what we got after seeing what they brought to the table and all the skills and learnings they gave into us. It was main experience.
There's only one thing left to do, one final performance at home.
House of Shem, Ladz, let them know.
We're gonna try release more songs now that it's got potential to it. We're gonna start releasing music and just getting out there.
Yeah, pretty much give the people what they want, and for us too, as a band.
The future in the music industry for the lads is promising.
Yeah, definitely see them pushing on, and just the message in their music, the message in their lyrics. I think, that's what we need right now, eh?
It took a while for us to actually realise that we can go there, so we just kind of talked within ourselves, and yeah, that's us. We'll take it to the end.
For more Hui content, subscribe to our YouTube channel.